Hey everyone, this is TSM from MediaTek. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, I have yesterday night received this Realme 7 mobile phone. We know that this mobile phone was launched recently in India. I think in this month, 2nd, September 2nd, this mobile phone launched. But whereas this mobile phone also I have received yesterday night. Means these two mobile phones I have received. It's the Poco M2 Pro. So anyhow, first we will do the unboxing of this Realme 7, and after that I was going to post the unboxing video on this Poco M2 Pro.
Hi everyone, please subscribe this VickyTech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
So well, finally guys, here is the mobile phone. At the front side we have seen that the Bollywood actor Salman Khan. At the bottom side his texture signature was there. Whereas the sides of the box we have seen the Realme texture. So guys, keep in mind, if the seal was broken then don't accept the box. So anyhow guys, you open the box. Here we go. Just like this, we need to peel the cover. Whereas guys, the back side is saying some specification. It comes with Sony 64 megapixel quad cam, 30 watts dot charging along with 5000 mAh battery, and also they're saying that it comes with the Helio G95 gaming processor and its refresh rate is 90 Hz. So anyhow guys, let's quickly open the box. I was very anxiety to open this mobile phone and to do the testing. So like that, here we go. So at the front side as usual we have seen that there was a card box. Let it put here. And also the mobile phone itself. And the next thing is, here is the wrap charger. So guys, it's the Type-C cable, so the quality looks interesting. So anyhow, let's test. And finally, here is the charger, what we get inside the box. So guys, nothing more inside this card box. So well guys, here is the card box, what we get inside the box. So anyhow, let's check out what the stuff was provided here. So as usual, here is the SIM ejector tools, and also guys, inside it they're providing the TPU case. And also they're giving some kind of material like a quick warranty, startup guide. It's certified with the TUV. So anyhow, here is the stuff just look like this. So well, here is the 30 watts dot charger which comes inside the box along with the USB Type-C data cable. I was very impressed with the build quality. It was very nice. And also guys, it's a kind of USB Type-C. We know that nowadays every mobile phone was coming with a USB Type-C, so it also comes with the USB Type-C port. So well guys, here is the final the mobile phone itself. So let me peel off this cover and let me check inside the mobile phone. The mobile phone looks like this. The back side I have seen that it comes with white color, so I have purchased this mobile phone in the white. You guys can check out the shades of the color of this mist white color. And also guys, it comes with a pre-applied screen protective case. If you wish, you can remove it and you can apply the good quality one. Anyhow guys, let's check out the physical overview of this mobile phone. Whereas guys, it comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen, and also guys, it's HD plus display. Whereas at the back side we have seen that quad cam setup, whereas the primary sensor is 64 megapixel. They uses the Sony IMX 682 sensor and 8 megapixel for ultra wide, 2 megapixel for depth and 2 megapixel for the macro shot. Whereas at the front side it comes with 16 megapixel selfie shooter. At the bottom we have seen that there was a speaker drill along with USB Type-C port and also microphone along with the 3.5 mm audio jack port. Whereas on the right hand side we have seen that the power button which also acts as fingerprint reader. Whereas on the left hand side we have seen that there was the volume rockers along with SIM card tray. So well, finally here is the SIM slot tray. So the slots was made up of the plastic, so just be careful. So anyhow guys, it comes with a dual SIM, and you can also able to use the micro SD card slot which can support up to 256 GB. So well guys, let me apply this case and let's check out how best the mobile phone fits in this TPU case. So well guys, after applying the case, the mobile phone looks very good. And also I want to remember one thing. You know that this mobile device I have purchased with the white color, but after applying the case you have seen it looks like a black shade, so please note that. And also the edges cutting was very good over on the earphone speaker. Along with the downside, we have seen that clearly the 3.5 audio jack port along with the Type-C port was completely closed. And also guys, in this angle you guys can check out, whereas the corners, after applying this case, the corners was topmost of the screen, so which will give extra protection in case if the mobile phone fall on this angle. So well guys, I have finished all the setup of this mobile phone, and also I have taken some photos also, but anyhow I will talk it later. So first let's go to the settings directly, and phone settings, I was going to click on the about, so you guys can check out. Here's the Realme 7 mobile phone, and its UI version is 1.0, so it was working with the Android 10. So guys, the Realme is saying that very soon we will get the next upgrade, which means we can expect the Android 11 also on this mobile phone. So like that, if you look at the RAM department, it comes with 6GB RAM, and if you look at the storage, whereas guys, its total comes with 64GB, but as I told you, I have taken some pictures and videos, so right now the storage was left in my mobile phone was around 48GB. Another interesting thing of this mobile phone is about the display. Even though it comes with IPS display, whereas the screen refresh rate they've given here 90 Hz, like that we can also use to 60 Hz also, but anyhow I was going to select the screen brightness to auto. So if I do that, then the mobile phone only will shift from 60 Hz to 90 Hz whenever the app required. So guys, I just opened the YouTube application, so we know that the refresh rate was changing from 90 to 60 Hz. So anyhow, let's check the scrolling effect. So you guys can check out, it's like a butter smooth. The scrolling was very nice in this mobile phone because of that 90 Hz. And also if you're talking about the Wi-Fi department, this mobile phone can able to connect 5 GHz Wi-Fi band also, as well as a 2.4 GHz band. So right now you have seen that I was connected to 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Just one thing I just want to let you know, in settings just select the battery. So in battery you need to select the performance mode, then select the performance mode to high performance mode, then you will definitely see the difference in the processor speed. So usually I have selected here high performance mode, just like this. Anyhow guys, so you have seen that the fingerprint was side mounted fingerprint. So anyhow guys, let's check out how the fingerprint was working, how responsive it was. So you guys can check out, it was very responsive, very accurate and very quick. Let's open the camera and let's see the camera user interference. You have seen that in the picture photo mode we can go up to the digital zoom, up to the 5x we can go to the digital zoom, but it's not the optical zoom, please note that. So like that, they have also provide the night mode and video mode and also portrait mode, and also you know that this mobile phone was launching with the 64 megapixel latest sensor from the Sony IMX X82. So here it was, and if you tap on the more, you have seen these settings in the more. And one thing, let's check out the video resolution. In video department, just go to the settings. So in settings, you have seen the video resolution, whereas the 4K, 1080 and 720 the rear side camera. But whereas if you're shooting in the 4K, then you can able to adjust the frames per second 60 and 30. So like that, if you select the 4K, the frames will be selected default. I wish they should give, it will be around 30 frames per second. So like that, let's shift to the front cam and let's check out how the video resolution in front cam video mode. Again, go to settings. So in settings, let's check the video resolution, whereas 1080 and 720, they did not mention the frames, but it should be around 30 frames per second. So anyhow guys, I was going to take some photos in the front facing camera. So it is the normal mode. I was going to click. The quicker speed was very responsive and good. Now I was going to try in the portrait mode, just like this. Which was not bad, it's working well. But anyhow, I have already taken some pictures, so I will share these pictures and you guys can get an idea how it will work. You guys can check out the video resolution. It was very good. I like the display very much. It comes with Full HD Plus panel. So it was great. The contrast value looks interesting and the colors was very accurate in this mobile phone. One thing guys, if you're talking about the bloatware, there was not that much of bloatware, and also there was no apps installed which was banned by our Indian government. So we have seen on that, but it comes with Amazon and Facebook like that. Some of the apps which comes from the Realme community. So these are all the stuff which was available in this mobile phone. There was not not much bloatware. And also guys, I like this function. If you tap on any app, so you can easily uninstall them over here. So guys, here is the camera sample testing which was taken with this newly launched Realme 7. So you guys check out these images. I have tested and taken photos and pictures in different lighting condition. It is quite impressive, but I noticed especially in the outdoor lighting condition, the photos look some overexposure. It's not an issue. Very soon the company will send the update and fix it. So here is the portrait shot, and this one was taken with a webcam 64 in outdoor lighting condition. So again, this was also taken with the outdoor lighting condition, and whereas this particular picture also taken with outdoor lighting condition with 64 megapixel. So you guys can check out the contrast values and the sky, especially in this picture. So this was taken again in the outdoor lighting condition. So like that, this one was taken with indoor lighting condition with 64 megapixels. So like that, this one also have taken with indoor lighting condition with 64 megapixels. So guys, this was recording video 1080 at 60 frames per second. So you guys can check out how the exposure values, contrast, and how the colors was producing. And also, by the way, just check how the stabilization works in this 1080 at 60 frames per second. You guys can check out right now. You guys can check out this video was taken with a 1080 footage again, but this time we use the 30 frames per second. So you guys can check out how the exposure values, especially this time we focusing on the entire aerial overview. So how the colors was producing. So I was providing a sample click. So guys, this was recording in this Realme 7 front facing camera, but one thing I just want to let you know, in front cam we can able to shoot 1080 resolution or even the 720 resolution, but not the 4K. The thing is we can't able to choose the FPS while we shooting in the front facing camera. But whereas the back side, if you're shooting, you can able to choose 1080, 30 frames or 60 frames, but that option was not available. I mean, selecting the frames was not available in the front facing camera. And the next one, another thing I have noticed that we have investing here around 15,000 rupees, but still it does not have the secondary noise cancellation microphone. So you guys have to think about it once. So well guys, you have seen that I like it very well because the build quality feels very solid, and even though its weight is around 200 grams, I mean the company claims that its weight is around on the box 196 something like that, but I haven't feel the mobile phone was that much of weight, and the fingerprint works very well, the display was very good. So overall I like this mobile phone very well, but anyhow I was going to use it a couple of days and I was going to let you know my complete opinion. So guys, that's it in this video. If you have any kind of specific question, just let me ask in the comment section. I will definitely cover in my review when I was doing about this posting on this mobile phone. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I have a small request, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. Take care.